Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today we are going to talk about the Ielts test, which is the basic English language requirements if you are applying for scholarships and if you are looking for or pursuing masters and PhD at Canadian universities. So there are two modules. One is the academic module and one is the general module. Usually the university require the academic module. The general module, if you are applying for the permanent residency or a job in Australia or in Canada, then you need to take the general module. There are 4 parts: listening, reading, writing and speaking, which you need to take. In listening, there are 4 sections. Various recordings are played and 40 items or questions are there, and you need to solve or you need to choose and pick those in 30 minutes. In academic reading, there are 3 sections in which 40 items or questions are there that you need to answer in 60 minutes. In academic writing, there are 2 tasks given. The first task is a short task and the second task is a bit more lengthier task, and for these 2 tasks usually 60 minutes are given. Based upon my experience, I would say that you need to allocate 20 minutes for the first task and 40 minutes for the second task. Speaking section will last for 10 to 15 minutes, in which the speaker or the test taker, the examiner, will assess your speaking abilities within 10 to 15 minutes. Now, based upon my experience, the academic reading and writing tasks are a bit tougher in academic module compared to the general training. Taken both. So reading section in the general training is much easier compared to the academic reading. So if you are preparing for the Ielts examination, then you need to focus on the reading and writing section, because we have done our education in English. Therefore, listening and speaking won't make a lot of trouble for us, but the academic reading and writing needs a bit more time to get higher bands. Now, where you can access that information, you can simply Google the Ielts test and you can click on the britishcouncil.pk website. There, test dates, fees and location for this test is also available on the website. Now you can click on the register option as well, where you can increase your chances to get higher bands, and you can prepare for each module. You can give the name, email, mobile number, select the test type, for example the academic or general training, which band score are you aiming for, 6, 7 or 8 or 9. Free Ielts material will be provided in that when you register. So let's click on the test locations. So you can, there are other questions that what is the passing score of the Ielts. For example, there is no minimum score is required to pass the test. You either get 1 non-user band or you get 9 band if you are an expert user. Is Ielts test difficult? World's leading test of English language proficiency. So it's not difficult in itself. I will tell you, it assesses your abilities in listening, reading, writing, and speaking. As I mentioned earlier on, that you focus more on the reading and writing sections. What are the fees? Now in Peshawar, Abbottabad, Quetta, and Mirpur, they are charging 33,000. So you need to prepare well before you are ready to take the test. And there are 37,290 PKR for Karachi and Hyderabad. There are a bunch of questions which you will find out once you Google those questions in Google. So here you can find all the information related to the Ielts, how you can prepare, and what is the format of the test. If you further need any guidance and information, so you can leave comment, or you can email me, or you can visit my office. I am available from 8 till 4 p.m. at UT Peshawar. So I hope that you are enjoying these videos, and thank you for your comments in the videos. There, one of our students requested for Ielts information, so I'm making and sharing this video based upon his request. So thank you so much for your positive feedback, and I hope to share another video soon. Please kindly like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Assalamu alaikum. Allah Hafiz.